How to use the sell feature on the Coast platform. This video explains how to sell WPLS, but the process is the same for any of the assets available to sell directly for USD. First, go to the Buy or Sell tab on the Coast website. Select the Sell option. Make sure your wallet is connected. Then, in the You Sold box, enter the amount of WPLS that you'd like to sell. Don't worry if the You Receive box initially shows 0. Click the Check Price button to fetch pricing data. The Check Price button queries liquidity pools on PulseChain for pricing. Once the price is available, the button will update to show how many US dollars you will receive, and the You Receive box will populate with the amount. After reviewing the details, click Sell to initiate the sale. You will then need to confirm the sell in your wallet. Following this, a pop-up will appear with the message Sell initiated, and your order will be marked as pending. Please note that these orders aren't instant, as several on-chain transactions happen in the background. Typically, transactions take 4 to 8 minutes to process. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the USD balance will be credited to your Coast account. You will see a confirmed status on the transaction page. If the transaction fails, it could be due to PulseChain network congestion or token price volatility. If that happens, it might be easier to use the swap page to trade your tokens for CST and then off-ramp using our burn feature. If you ever have a question while using the Coast website, please don't hesitate to reach out to our world-class customer service team. To inquire with the team, go to the text icon at the bottom right of the screen. A message box will appear, then you can directly message our team. We will promptly respond and help you through any questions you may have.